another episode of Mhelbeth's Table. Today, I will show you how to make a very easy, very simple, but very delicious pork chop recipe. But before we start, I want to thank first all my subscribers. And if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I post a video in my channel. Okay guys, let's start! Umpisahan na natin ang pagluluto ng napakasarap na pork chop recipe. Here are the ingredients. Okay guys, para sa ating ingredients, gagamit tayo ng 4 na pork chop. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/3 cup soy sauce. 1/3 cup banana ketchup. 4 cloves minced garlic. 2 tablespoons lime juice. 2 hot chili peppers, 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, and 1/3 cup honey. Guys, ito yung ating pork chop. Tatanggalin lang natin yung tubig-tubig, punasan nating maigi para masarap siya pag minarinate natin. Okay guys, let's start. We'll put black pepper on our pork chops. Then, we will put salt. Kabilaan po. Next is paprika. We will put this on both sides of the pork chops. And then we will cut it like this para ma-absorb yung ating inilagay na seasoning. And then, we will put now in the plate to marinate. Okay guys, nilagay ko lang siya sa ating plate. And then now, we will put first the soy sauce. Next, the ketchup. And then, we'll put the honey. Next, lime juice. You can use calamansi or lemon juice. Worcestershire sauce. Kung wala kayo nito, that's fine. You don't need to put it. And minced garlic. You can use sugar instead of honey as well. And also, para spicy yung ating pork chop, masarap na masarap, lalagyan natin ng 2 malalaking chili peppers, chili hot peppers. So, i-marinate natin to for about 2 hours to overnight. Okay guys, na-mix up na nating maigi yung ating marinade. I-marinate natin to for about 2 hours at least or overnight. Okay? So, while marinating, we will put this on the fridge. Okay guys, ito na yung ating na-marinate na meat for 2 hours at least. Ipiprito na natin siya. Okay, sa ating mainit na pan, naglagay ako ng about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating meat. Tanggalin lang natin yung ating mga marinade para hindi siya matutunog. Okay guys. We'll just cook the 2 pieces for now because it's too big. It's not enough for my pan. Then, we will wait to finish this 2 and then we will do the other 2. Okay guys, ito na yung ating fried na ating pork chop while ago. So now, we will put all the remaining ingredients And then we will cook this into a low fire. Hanggang maluto talaga yung ating pork chop. And watch out guys, because of the honey, it might burn. It might burn. Okay, so you have to check it from time to time, alright? Then, we'll just put a lid and close it, and let's wait for it, okay? Okay guys, luto na yung ating pork chop. Look at this. It's really, really yummy. Caramelized na siya guys. Ang sarap-sarap na nito. So now, we will put in our plating. Okay guys, ito na yung ating niluto na napakasarap na pork chop. Sa susunod, wait po kayo dahil magkakaroon po ulit tayo ng isa pang recipe tiyak na magugustuhan nyo rin. Sa lahat ng aking subscribers, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I'm gonna post a video in my channel. Thank you so much, everyone.